Hello friends, welcome to Learn CorelDRAW. Today we are going to learn a very simple and interesting tool, transformation. Okay, by using this tool you can easily make a different type of designs. Mostly it is very useful for designing flowers. How it work? Let us see. Okay, before going to design a flower, let us design something. Suppose here we have pen tool. Properly arrange this shape with the help of shape tool. Here on the snap to guideline. Okay, fine. Let us decrease the width of this shape. Now remove this guideline and let us fill some shading. Okay, like this we create one simple shape. Now let us transform this. For that purpose you have to go arrange transformation and go to rotate. Then this wizard is appear. Okay, here you have to use rotate. Now you can here give the angle. Suppose the shape is very thin, therefore let us give the angle of 15. And if you want to check the preview of this angle, then here you can use number of copy 1 and just click on apply. But before going to apply, here is the this point are very important. These are snap point. Now this angle is set from the center point. Okay, and click on apply like this. And if you continue click on apply, then you will get some shape like this. Okay, you can also make or you can also add some other shape and hide the inner part. But suppose if you have idea here, we have apply one by one shape. If you have idea how many shapes you require, then you can here directly give the number of shapes. For example, here our original shape is this one: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, let us undo this. Suppose we directly use here 11 and click on apply. Okay, like this you can also tentatively just imagine the number of shape and you can directly apply all these shapes. Okay, like this you can make a simple flower with the help of transformation tool. And remember one thing, all these shapes are different. These are not group. All these shapes are different. You can also change the color of each petal separately. Okay, now let us design some more shape. Suppose here we have some shape, cups node. If you don't know how to use shape tool or how to use pen tool, then you can watch the previous lecture of how to use pen tool and shape tool. Okay, now let us fill some shading. Here also we use the same shading. Okay, and as well as remove the outline. Now let us select the rotation point is this one, relative center is this one. Okay, that is this point, and this shape is thick than this shape, therefore let us apply the big angle. uh, let us check it. Apply first one copy. Yeah, it is fine. Okay, like this you can make a simple flower, but all these shapes are different, therefore you have to group it. Okay, you can make one more thing. Let us use this shape. You have shape like this, then you can use one more thing. Go to arrange and click on combine. Now you will get the different shape, but this shape is a single shape. And how to fill this empty areas or white areas, then you can use the smart fill tool. If you don't use don't know this tool, then you can watch the lecture of smart fill, how to use smart fill tool. Okay, like this you can here fill the empty area. Okay, suppose here we want to again create some flower. You can also use this here. Okay, you can make flower of anything. You can make or you can rotate the things like as per your logic. Suppose here we have some basic shape. Let us use this heart shape. Okay, now also here we use this point, but let us increase the distance of this point. Suppose you click once more on this shape, then rotations points are appear. Now let us change this center point. We use center point here, and now let's apply one copy. One copy is too close, therefore let us change the angle. Angle is always increased by the phi, that is step value is phi. Okay, this is not a perfect match because all this you have to, if you want to display power properly, then you have to use the equal or even distance. Then let us change shape. Suppose we make it little thick, and now apply it. Okay, again make it little thick because there is more distance. This is too thick. Okay, and you can also rotate this shape slightly. Now apply, or you can also again, this is not properly arranged, therefore arrange, again rotate this shape, apply. Okay, yeah, or suppose here we want this shape like this, just rotate this shape, hold rotate this whole shape, and here you can make, use the pencil, or sorry, use a freehand tool, and just draw the line from this. Let us increase the width of line. Okay, you can change the color of line. Like this, you can apply your own logic. You can also edit the shape. You can also change the color of line. Okay, like this, you can show the shape. You can also rotate the text. Hello, let us bold it. Give the color. You can also give the different color. Now the rotation point is this one. Okay, and let us apply like this. You can also rotate the text as per your logic, or you can also keep the text like this. Suppose again the rotation point is this one. Change some rotation point. So change the position of rotation point. Use apply. You can also use like this. With the help of these tools, or with the help of transform tool, you can easily make the different type of shapes as per your logic. Suppose here also we have this shape, but this is not close. But like this shape also we use for transformation. Okay, and suppose here again I just copy paste this shape. I want to ungroup this. Like this, I use this point. Use apply. This shape is overlap. Okay, now select all this shape and go to arrange combine. You will get a different shape. Okay, like this you can make a different type of flowers. Don't keep the gap between the shapes. Suppose here we use 30. Okay, this is perfect. Now go to arrange combine. Okay, and after combine you can also change the color, or you can use the shade. Okay, this is a combined shape, combined flower. Okay, like this you can make a different flowers, different shapes. As per your logic, you can rotate the different shapes with the help of transformation tool. Okay, that's it for the today's lecture. We will continue in next lecture. Thank you for watching the lecture.